Hello friends, welcome back. I am Achintya Hazra. Today we will do a cityscape painting, and in this painting some buildings and its light will be my focal point. Architecture drawing should be good. Your straight line should be fine. And sometimes thicker strokes should be used like this so that you can have a confidence. To make the composition better and the activity, I will make vehicles and human figure. I am doing this through a black pen in the drawing so that you see properly. Now here I am wetting the whole paper through flat brush because I have to spread the color very well. And this is orange, French ultramarine, for highlights I will lift water through tissue paper. Naples yellow, and orange, French ultramarine, crimson lake, my first was got complete and paper would dry well. Apply the second wash and I am using color same, Naples yellow, little bit Banciana, little bit raw umber. Sorry. And this is my little mop brush. Mop brush does good water carry and enjoys working. You can see my random strokes. Fear has to be overcome and you have to work unperturbed. If the building is far enough, then you have to understand the color value and there will be a lighter color. According to reference photo, where there is darkness, there I am using dark color. And this is round brush brand of Art Essential. Beautiful brush. I can easily give a strokes in it. As you work, watch your work from the mobile so that you will see small mistakes. I used reflection like this to make the painting beautiful. If you have a small painting, then you have to do it carefully. To make the water spread, I am pushing the paper upwards. And with titanium white color, I am making a car lights. Using brush in water and using it in this way will show some scratch about the road. This time I am using dark tone. And this is final touch. Some figure, some activity. I enjoyed this painting is very much. And I hope you enjoy it. If you want, you can practice and show me. Thank you so much, friend. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoy it. Take care. Bye bye. And please subscribe and like.